Good evening everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. My name is Amanjot and I am here with all of you to discuss the another topic-wise session for the principles and practices of banking. So let's start the session. But before starting the session, those candidates who have joined us here, do let me know is audio video both are okay. Are we good to go? Let me know first. And this is our Okay, so this is our fourth class regarding your PPB subject. So as we know, principles and practices of banking, this is a subject for your JIB October, or I can say JIB exam, and principles and practices of banking have around 55 units. That is a very huge syllabus, so it's very important that you prioritize your syllabus, how to start and how from where to start. So we have started this particular sessions or these series from the module B, and today we are going to discuss about the chapter 40. Before that, we have discussed in the 3 class the chapter 41 of your module B. Okay, so let's start. In this particular chapter 40, we have a certain government schemes here. Now, government schemes are what? These are the social welfare schemes. These are the schemes that helps the government to do the social welfare of a country, or I can say this is a scheme which helps the government of India to make sure that the weaker section of the country or the vulnerable society of a country are having all kind of services that is required to get a proper cost of living, to get a minimum standard of living. So this is what? This is a certain scheme. This is a certain social welfare programs of government of India that is in the form of government social sponsored scheme. So schemes can be sponsored by central government, it can be done by state government. So today what we are going to discuss here is the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. So chapter 40 of your module B covers a lot of schemes of government of India like day NRLM, day NULM. Apart from that, Jan Dhan Yojana, Mudra Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana, etc. A lot of schemes are there which is regarding the social welfare of the country, and out of that, first scheme we are discussing here is a Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, and that's a very big scheme in which a lot of features and what we can say, a lot of features are there, what lot of benefits are there in this particular scheme. And if I talk about the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, this is the first part of this particular scheme. The second part we will be discussing in the next class. Okay, so let's start. First of all, if I talk about the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, this scheme So this scheme is the Government of India's scheme launched by Mr. Narendra Modi in the year 2014. So Mr. Narendra Modi, first of all, about this scheme, if I talk about this scheme was launched by Mr. Narendra Modi on 15th of August 2014. Okay, and this is the scheme for the financial inclusion. Now, what is financial inclusion? Financial inclusion is simply a process in which we are trying to link each and every person with the financial product and services at an affordable cost. Now, why I am saying it's an affordable cost? Because it is the part of financial inclusion. That's include a very important term, that is affordable cost. Because without affordable cost, each financial institution, each bank is providing you services. Like if I talk about State Bank of India, let's take an example. State Bank of India has said that the certain minimum deposit has to be maintained to open a bank account in SBI. And for example, it is saying in the rural areas, the minimum deposit is required 1,000. In the urban areas, the minimum deposit required is 3,000, and in the metro cities, that is the 5,000. So not each and every person who is living in a metro city, who is living in an urban area, they are not eligible to maintain this minimum deposit of 1,000, 3,000 or 5,000. Right? So what is required here? It is very important that each and every person will be getting the financial product and services, but at the cost they are capable to afford. And that's why this affordable cost have a very much importance in the financial inclusion. And that's why this Jan Dhan Yojana was introduced by Government of India. Okay, so first of all, do remember this Jan Dhan Yojana is introduced mainly for the financial inclusion purpose. It was introduced mainly for the financial inclusion purpose. And what is financial inclusion? I have explained you that. Now let's start the scheme. No, this is not a demo session. This is a YT session in which we have started the chapter-wise discussion of your subject. Okay, and that is chapter 40 we are discussing here. So those candidates who are live here, do make sure you like the session. Also share the session on the multiple social media channels wherever you are linked with your friends and colleagues who are preparing for the October JIB exam. And if you want to check the demo session, you can join the session at 7 p.m. from Monday till Friday at 7 p.m. only on this channel. You will find the demo sessions for Indian economy, Indian financial system. Okay, and this is the regular YouTube series that we have started. Now, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is a government of India's initiative under the National Mission for Financial Inclusion. And what is financial inclusion? I have already explained to you. Now, there are certain important details about this scheme. As you can see, this scheme was introduced, or the scheme was launched on 28th of August, but this scheme was announced on 15th of August. So the scheme was announced on 15th of August but launched on 28th of August. And when it was launched, the target of opening 1 crore accounts in 2 days has been taken, and those 2 days was 28th of August and 29th of August. But now, if we talk about these 2 days achievement, we have seen that 1.5 crore accounts have been opened in only 2 days, right? Now, the another thing is that the slogan of the scheme is Mera Khata Bhagya Vidhata, and to provide the financial services to the weaker section of the society, you can call them the vulnerable society. We can call them vulnerable society, you can call them disadvantaged population, you can call them the weaker section. For them, this, to provide them the financial services, this scheme was introduced. Now, the major feature of this scheme is that Government of India has said that the zero balance account will be opened here. Now, zero balance account is the major feature of this particular scheme. But if I talk about the zero balance account, this was not the first time when in our country the zero balance accounts was introduced. The first time zero balance account was introduced by Reserve Bank of India, that is known as no frills account, in the year 2005. Then second, again RBI has introduced the basic saving bank deposit account in the year 2012. Now after that, in 2014, under the Jan Dhan Yojana account, we have introduced the zero balance account. But the much success we have find out was in the Jan Dhan Yojana. Reason was the advertisement. Now everybody in the country used to know at that time that Mr. Modi is a certain person who has launched a scheme that is very famous right now. There are certain people in the rural area, they didn't know at that time like who is Mr. Modi. But yes, they knew about that the Mr. Modi has introduced a particular scheme that is very important, that is very useful for each and every person. That's what was the reason behind this particular scheme got a particular Guinness World Record from the government schemes of Government of India. Only scheme it is, right? So this is the no frills account, and BSBD account was also a zero balance account, but in the Jan Dhan Yojana it became very famous. There are two reasons. First, announcement was very big. Apart from announcement, there are certain additional benefits has been given by the government, right? And what are those benefits we are going to discuss now. Yeah, on Adda application, online the live classes are also available, but it's a kind of a automatic system. So some classes you will find on Adda 24/7, that is on YouTube. Some are not available. So I will suggest, if you are looking for a YouTube sessions, do check the Officers Adda 24/7 channel, and for the paid classes you can check the Adda 24/7 application. Okay. Now the demo right now are available on both, on YouTube channel also and on application also. But after Friday, it will not be available on YouTube. Okay, only will be available on application. Now, the scheme details. The first of all, you can see scheme is having a particular target to open a savings bank account for each adult linked with other benefits. Now, earlier, the scheme used to have an objective that was in each and every family there should be one person who have a bank account. This was the objective of this scheme. Like in every family, one person should have a bank account. But now, the objective has been changed. The objective now is saying that each and every person should get the bank account. Every adult should get the bank account. This is the objective now. So you can see, persons without OVD. Now what is OVD? Official valid documents. Hana could open a small account. The benefits are, OVD is what? Official valid document. And without OBD, you can open the account. This is the first relaxation that has been given here. Like if you do not have proper KYC documentation, if you do not have proper officially valid documents, still you can have the bank account, and that account will be your Jan Dhan Yojana account. Right, this is the first liberal policy of Government of India to make people link with the bank or financial product and services. Now, first major function of this particular scheme or feature is no minimum balance is required. You can open bank account with the balance whatever you want. You want 50 rupees, you want 100 rupees, you want 1000 rupees. You do not want to deposit any amount of money, you can open the account. That's a zero balance account, right? Second, RuPay debit card will be provided, and that will be free of cost. This RuPay debit card will be available free of cost. The second feature or benefit of this particular scheme. The third, accident insurance. Accidental insurance has been linked in this particular scheme, and this accidental insurance cover used to be 1 lakh, but now it is 2 lakh. So do remember the accident insurance or accidental insurance cover of 2 lakh now. Earlier it used to be 1 lakh when the scheme was launched. So the accidental insurance of 2 lakh is available. Okay, for the persons who have opened the account from 28th of August 2018. Before that it was 1 lakh, but after that it is now 2 lakh. Now, apart from that, it is linked with the RuPay card, and you can claim payable if minimum one successful financial or non-financial customer induced card transaction is done within 90 days prior to date of accident, including accident date. Now, when you will get this benefit? You will get this benefit when you have used the RuPay debit card within the duration of 90 days from the date of accident. Then only you will be getting the 2 lakh rupees benefit of accidental insurance for the people who have opened the account after 2018. But before that, only 1 lakh claim will be available for the people. Right? Now, these are the three features. Now, the fourth feature is we have life insurance cover of 30,000 was also provided, but it was provided for the people who have opened the account from 28th of August 2014 to 31st of January 2015. Only those people who have opened the account between this duration, they got the 30,000 additional life insurance cover. This is additional. Okay, the persons who have opened the Jan Dhan Yojana account after January 2015, they didn't get this additional insurance of life cover. Now, easy transfer of money across India is allowed. Hana, easy transfer of money, yani it means you can easily remit the fund. You can easily remit the fund. You can easily remittance. You can easily transfer your fund. The next is beneficiary of government schemes get DBT here. Now, what is DBT? DBT is a direct benefit transfer scheme. Now, the direct benefit transfer scheme, if I talk about, it is the scheme in which the beneficiaries of the social welfare scheme of government of India, they will be getting the benefit in their own account. No mediator will be there, so that no corruption will be there and transparency will be there. That's why this scheme was introduced. That is a direct benefit transfer scheme. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now, after satisfactory operation of the account for 6 months, overdraft facility will be available. Now, the overdraft amount used to be the 5,000. It used to be 5,000, but now it has increased and the amount is now 10,000. Okay, so if you are continuously using your account for the current 6 months, let's say for example I opened the account and maybe I have heard about this, that these benefits are there. Accidental insurance is there, life insurance cover is there, or overdraft is there, free RuPay card is available also. So that's why I opened the account. And I haven't used that account, but I have taken all the benefits of the account. This can be done by the people, right? But the Government of India has given a condition. Like, you will get the accidental insurance if within the 90 days from the date of your expenditure, from the date of your accident, before the date of your accident will be covered, and within that 90 days you have used the RuPay card, then you will get the accidental insurance. Second, overdraft will be only available if you have used the account within or the last 6 months on the continuous basis, then only you will get the overdraft. That used to be the 5,000, but now it is 10,000. Now, apart from that, the information is that eligible for Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Mudra Scheme, etc. So this account is eligible to enroll in any of these schemes, right? So these are the features of our, or we can say these are the features of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. And this is one first part of your Jan Dhan Yojana. This is the first part of your Jan Dhan Yojana. If I talk about second part, in the second part we are going to discuss about the overdraft facility conditions. We are going to discuss about what? We are going to discuss about overdraft facility condition, because let's say now the objective of the scheme is that every adult should have the account. Now, let's say for example in a family there are 5 persons and all the 5 persons are adult, right? And all have opened the account in the Jan Dhan Yojana. So are we going to give them the overdraft of 50,000? Like each and every person of the family are applying, they are applying for the overdraft facility, and all are eligible to get the 10,000 rupees as an overdraft, as the scheme said. So is it possible to give them the 50,000? Like whole family will get 10,000. So 5 members are there, all the 5 members got the overdraft. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. The head of the family will get the overdraft. But now, these all conditions we are going to discuss in the second part of this particular Jan Dhan Yojana scheme, right? So today we will be ending here only. But before that, if you have any doubt in today's session, let me know. Also, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel and share the session with your friends and colleagues who are preparing for the same. Good evening, Raghu sir. How are you? So, now one detail for all of you, that we have started the Indian Economy, Indian Financial System batch, as well as all the 4 subject batch. And this batch started from 19th of June. Right now, Indian Economy, Indian Financial System subject we have started from, and 3 demo we have already taken. So today also we have given a one demo for all of you on YouTube to check if you like the sessions, if you like the classes, you can join the batch, right? So at 7 p.m. we are meeting from 19th of June. Okay, so if you haven't seen the already conducted demo sessions, you can go on the YouTube channel of Officers at 24/7 and you can find this particular playlist there. You can check the demo sessions. Okay, and to enroll in the batch, you can use the code PREP80 that is available here and get 81% discount right now. Now, what you are going to get in this particular batch, first of all, you will get here, one second. First of all, you will get here the conceptual classes. Right, the conceptual classes will be available for all of you. Okay, so the conceptual classes will be available for all of you here, that you are seeing in the demo sessions also. Apart from the conceptual classes, you will find here the topic wise mock test. Each and every topic, as we have completed chapter 1, you will get the chapter 1 mock test. When you completed chapter 10th, you will get the chapter 10th mock test. So topic wise mock tests, full length mock tests are available. Apart from that, ebooks are available, class PDFs are available, class recording is also available. Like some people are not able to join the classes live, so they can check the recording also, right? So how to enroll? This is the page. If you want to go with the batch, these are the batches which are going on for October 2023. You can click on this particular batch, do read the details, check all the details. After checking all the details, click on the buy now option. And the code that you have to use here is your PREP80, and you will get 80% discount. For additional 1% discount, you can use the coins that is available on the application. Okay, and apart from this, if you want to go with the Mahapack, right now 81% discount with the double validity is available in the Mahapack. And Mahapack is what? Which covers everything. Whatever is available on the application for your JIB or the CIB, if you want to enroll for both, you will get in this particular Mahapack. And the process is again same. You have to click on the buy now option. You have to use the code that is written here, and that is your PREP80 code. For 1% additional discount, you can use the coins that is available on the application. You will get 12 month subscription here by paying around 58 or 5700 something. Okay, and for individual batch, you have to pay around, let's say, 3600 something. Okay, around 3600 something you have to pay. So you can see this is the 6 months validity. 3600 you have to pay here, around 5800 you have to pay. You will get 1 year validity, and all the batches, everything will be available, right? So this is the information for all of you. So let's end the session here. Tomorrow we are going to meet at the same time, 7 p.m. for Indian Economy, Indian Financial System demo session, and at 8:30 p.m. for the Principles and Practices of Banking, Jan Dhan Yojana Part 2. Okay, so see you all tomorrow. Last but not the least, if you are new to the channel of Officers at 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay, so thank you for joining the session and take care.